I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. See how full the disk is and which folders are largest. Run storage or DFH, then do SH on suspect directories to find big consumers. Once you spot a huge file or app, terminate related processes so files can be safely deleted. Make sure to pause syncing services because cloud clients often lock files. This first step prevents file corruption and lets you reclaim space immediately while you plan deeper cleanup. Now clean carefully. Remove temp files, caches, and empty the recycle bin or trash. Built-in cleanup tools help avoid mistakes. You should archive infrequently used large files to an external drive or cloud. Compress them with zip or tar to save more space. Next, uninstall unused applications and check for leftover installers and user data folders. Once done, run a quick DFH or storage check to confirm reclaimed space, and keep a log of what you removed for future reference. Finish by optimizing and preventing recurrence. For HDDs, run a defrag. For SSDs, run trim or enable continuous optimization because that maintains performance and free space. Then set up alerts and automated cleanup tasks. Schedule regular backups to avoid emergency deletions. If space still seems low, check inode usage and run file system checks. Errors can misreport free space. If a check reports problems, repair the file system and then rerun your storage report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.